Good day and welcome, Mr. Simons here. Now before we go to Theorem 2, just to get you used to, we're solving three different problems. Right, first one we will be looking at two variations, solving Theorem 1 problems using Theorem of Pythagoras, right? So given to us, they say calculate the length of TB and from T to B. If AB is 100 centimeters, OC is perpendicular to TB and OC equal 30 centimeters. Take note, O is the center of the circle. So already from Theorem 1, we should remember OC is perpendicular to that line, then automatically it means DC equal to CB. But let's look at the problem. So first, we should note if O is the center and AB goes through the center, then AB is a diameter. Therefore, I can state that OA equal OB. They said AB equal 100 centimeters, so to get OA and OB, say 100 divided by 2, which gives me 50 centimeters. So that there is now 50 centimeters. We have OC as 30 centimeters. Then using Theorem of Pythagoras, we can now find the length of CB because it's a right angle triangle, right? So there's 50, that's 30, we want CB. So CB squared, always equal the longer side, which is opposite the 90 degrees, OB squared minus OC squared. So 50 squared, which is 2005, minus 30 squared, which is 900, would give me 1006. The square root of both sides makes CB equal to 40 centimeters, right? But you can conclude that DC equals CB because line from center is perpendicular to chord. That's Theorem 1. Line from center perpendicular to chord. So therefore TB equal to 2 times 40 because they both equal, and TB equal 80 centimeters, right? So hope you follow. Let's look at the next problem. So in this one, in the diagram, O is the center of the circle, ABD. F is a point in the chord AB such that AF or AB equal FT. Right? And they both at 8 centimeters, and they say OF equal to X. Right? And they want the length of the radius. So if FD equal 8 centimeters and OF is X, then you should know if that all is 8, this part here from O to D would be 8 minus X. No? Right, that's my radii. So if that is 8 minus X, then OB, which is also radii starting from center to circumference, must be 8 minus X. Right? OF is perpendicular to AB, so that automatically then means AF equals FP. Right, which gives me 8 divided by 2, which gives me 4 centimeters and 4 centimeters. My reason, line from center, from there, line from center, perpendicular to chord. So whenever they meet at 90 degrees, it will cut that into 2 equal halves. Right? So now I have X, 8 minus X, I have 4. There's a 90 degree angle, so using Theorem of Pythagoras, I can say that OB squared equal OF squared plus FP squared. OB squared is 8 minus X squared. OF squared is X and FP is 4 squared. Right, now here be careful of the middle term. Ne? So 8 times 8, 64. 8 times negative X gives me negative 8X. Times 2 gives me negative 16X. Negative X times negative X gives me positive X squared, and on the other side I have X squared plus 16. X squared and X squared would cancel if I take them over. So I'm left with minus 16X, I bring it over, and the plus 16 goes over, becomes negative 16. 64 minus 16 gives me 48. Right, and I always divide by the coefficient of X. So 48 divided by 16, X equal to 3. So my radius, which is 8 minus X, would be 8 minus 3, which then gives me 5 centimeters. Right, so that's the first one. We will look at another two where we're going to test congruency, etc.